When you first land on the Hudson McKenzie UK website, the presentation is clean and professional. The homepage immediately highlights their expertise in UK immigration law, and they position themselves as a full-service legal firm with a strong focus on both individual and corporate clients. Scrolling through, you'll see clear segmentation of services, from business immigration to personal visas like spouse, fiancé, and student visas. Each category has its own landing page, though some of the content feels slightly generic and could be more detailed, especially for complex categories like the skilled worker or global talent visa. The site claims a high success rate and has logos of major media where the firm has been featured, which adds a layer of credibility. However, there is a noticeable absence of client testimonials or case studies that would provide real-world assurance of their results. Navigation is smooth, with drop-down menus that work well across both desktop and mobile. One highlight is the dedicated blog section, which is regularly updated and touches on immigration policy changes and practical legal insights. That said, some articles appear written more for SEO than user value. When I used their contact form to inquire about services, I received a reply within 48 hours. The response was polite but somewhat templated, lacking personalized follow-up questions about my situation. Consultations appear to be chargeable, which is common in legal services, but this may deter users who are still exploring their options. Pricing for services isn't listed, which makes comparison with other firms difficult unless you go through a consultation. There's also no clear FAQ section addressing common visa application questions or timelines. Many useful links you can find in the description. Another limitation is the absence of a client dashboard or portal. Everything seems to be handled over email or phone, which may not suit those who prefer a digital-first experience. On the plus side, the firm is accredited by major UK legal bodies, and the team page lists qualified solicitors with immigration specializations, which is reassuring. However, I would have liked to see more transparency on who handles which case types and what specific experience they bring. Their social media presence is modest but active, particularly on LinkedIn, where they share insights on immigration updates and legal reforms. There are no video explainers or walkthroughs on the site itself, which could enhance understanding for less legally savvy users. I also noticed that while the firm deals with corporate clients, there's limited visible information or downloadable brochures outlining corporate service packages or pricing tiers. If you're an individual looking for personal visa assistance, the platform offers a reasonably user-friendly experience, but it lacks some of the interactive tools or digital resources that newer competitors provide. For corporate immigration solutions, the site hints at strong capabilities, but again, more upfront information would be helpful. Overall, Hudson McKenzie UK positions itself as a premium immigration law provider, but it would benefit from enhanced transparency, digital tools, and a more personalized approach to client engagement. If you're considering using their services, be prepared to pay for a consultation before getting tailored advice, and keep in mind that much of the initial interaction is likely offline. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and walkthroughs.